Abstraction in Python. What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding internal details and showing only essential features. In simple words, what to do is shown, but how it works is hidden. Real world analogy: TV remote. You press a button, TV turns on. You don't know internal circuits. You use it without knowing implementation. Why abstraction? Reduces complexity, improves readability, focus on important functionality only. How abstraction is achieved in Python? Using abstract classes, abstract methods from the ABC module. Important rule: cannot create object of abstract class. Parent defines what to do. Child defines how to do. Abstraction equal car driving. You drive car, you don't know engine working. You focus on steering, brakes, not on internal functionality. Abstraction in Python. What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding internal details and showing